Oh yeah. Got one. Right when I turn the camera on too. I'm guessing it's a smallie. Oh, what did I say? What did I say? Am I recording? Look at it try to get under the rock. Look how strong they are, dude. Dude, they're so strong. Did I not call we were gonna get a smallmouth here? Oh! Dude, it's still going. It's still going. Yeah, nice and right in the corner of the mouth. Smallie! Knew there'd be one down there with those crappie. Big, big. Oh, really big. No. Oh, never mind. I lied. Yeah, you can't fish in my spot, dude. Go away. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What kind of fish is this? Ooh. Oh, it is a crappie. That's a... Oh, no! Dude, I got a really big one. Really big one. Okay, it's average. Nope, it's pretty big. No, oh yeah, it's big. It's big. I'm gonna lose it in the sticks. If I touch him, he'll probably just want to. Yeah, see? Exactly. There's no way I'm gonna catch this fish. Oh, never mind. It's decent. I was joking, dude. You can fish in my spot. Big, big. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I hooked it in the eye. Oh, poor buddy. He'll be okay if I can just get this out. Oh. Yeah, his eye is okay. He can still move it and everything. I'll hold you up for the camera, buddy. You're gonna be famous on YouTube, yeah! He got crayfish down his mouth. Beauty. Oh! Smallmouth! Yay! Look at that mouth. He's been caught before. How do you always catch pickerel but not me? What? You always catch pickerel but not me. You want bass, I want pickerel. You catch pickerel, I catch bass. Big. Really big. Okay, maybe not that. Oh! Oh! This might be a smallmouth. Oh, what is this smallmouth? Oh! I told you, dude. That's why it's fighting so hard. What a nice chunky smallmouth. Look at these teeth marks right here. Probably a pike. Got some serious muscle. Ollie. How cool are they? Got him. Got him. Please be a smallie. Please be a smallie. That's a sunfish. It was a sunfish. Really? Look how chunky this one is. Really a sunfish? Yeah, I saw it. So chunky.
I think it was kind of weird because
Got another one. Oh, I'm just a beast like that, you know. Don't jump, don't jump. What kind of fish is that? What the? Oh, I impaled it. Look, it's barely on the skin.
Oh my god.
It's perfect. Oh yeah. Smalley Nation, like, so wild and feisty. What a beauty. Got one. Oh! He spit that hook like it was not even a hook. Oh! I got a huge snag, dude. Get the net, dude.
Oh my god.
What is it? It's a pike?
I think so.
Net it. What are you doing? Wait, keep it hooked. I'll come over. Screw Smalley Nation. Let me see this. That's not a pike, dude. It's a pickerel.
Are you kidding me? What do you mean it's not a pike?
Sorry, never mind. Never mind, I lied. Alright, let's get this on video here. Oh, damn.
That's a nice one.
You can hit the hook on a pike, not a bass. For you guys who are watching, I want to catch pickerel and pike. That's what I want to do. He wants to catch smallmouth and some largemouth. But today, actually, it's been completely the other way around. What do you have? You caught a pickerel and a pike today.
Yeah. Don't fucking do that shit.
It's a nice pike, guys.
It's actually a nice one.
Oh, he got me.
Was it?
What's that? Are you using a yum?
It was one of the ones you gave me.
Oh, so it works.
Dude, you want them back?
What?
You want them back?
No.
You want to catch pike?
You're actually pissing me off.
How am I pissing you off? You said you like this hook set? Dude, you're the one.
In front of each other, we're catching the fish that we want to catch. It's so stupid. Oh. Huge. Huge. Nah, not huge, but big. Big. You see that hook set? How lit was that hook set, dude? Was that lit? Dude, was that lit? No! Don't jump! Don't jump! Don't jump!
That's a nice...
Don't jump! Don't jump! Nice. Nice, dude. Nice. Look at that hook set. Dude, look. I'm pissing him off. Look at that pig! Pig. That's what you call these. My first time ever Texas rigging a Senko, so I didn't really expect anything. Dude. Oh, perfect. He just came right off from me. I don't know if the hook's supposed to go in there, or I don't really know. Fish up. I guess Texas rig Senko works. Definitely better size. Probably about a 2-pounder. Right in the roof of the mouth. Nice chunker. This is the first 5 minutes using a Texas rig Senko in my life. Alright, yeah, you just go ahead. Oh, I can't believe he just hit it right there. I cannot believe that. That was amazing. I was just reeling it in and he just hit it right there. God, that was amazing. That was like a pike strike right there. Pretty freaking big. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a nice one. Oh, right in the roof of the mouth. Another really dark bass. They've been around a lot of vegetation. Don't. Another chunker. Look at that fish. It's been like 7 or 8 minutes now. And I just slayed 3. With that same exact Senko, which also caught me like 4 smallmouth yesterday. Okay, alright, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get out of there, get out of there, get out of there. Oh. No, stop it. Oh, God, look what that bass just did to me. That's... Oh, my gosh. That's about a 3. Look how chunky that thing is. Absolute hog. Large mouth. Nice. He knew exactly what he was doing. I was right into the weeds. Oh my gosh. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh my god. It's a really big one. No, don't jump. He was just sitting there, and that bait came right on top of his nose. And he just sucked it up. I felt him on, and I set the hook. They really kick here. Unbelievable. Yeah, for sure. That's all four. That is all four right there. Oh, these are all such nice looking fish. They're all so healthy. They all look like this. You can look at it all day, but I want to get you back in the water. Got some teeth on them. Damn. I did not realize I had that fish on. Not at all. Little tiny dude. Oh yeah. Don't jump. Oh, he fucking jumped. Alright, come on, get it. How cool is that? These guys fight so hard in this river. Look at that. Another absolutely perfect fish. We can use one rod style. Just like freaking punch the fish. What a beauty. Get out of there, get out of there. I feel like this happens every time. Looks, all I'm doing is just fishing parallel to this weed bed. I'm sorry, this weed line actually. Just casting out, and then if I don't get a bite, I just kayak back up, cast out, blah blah blah, and they're just cruising along here. Nice 3.5 pounder. Oh shoot, my rod's going away. What can you say about that? Got a little leech in there. Get out of there. And if you buy Senkos with your own money, like me, then you're gonna want to save as much as possible. I caught 13 fish on this one Senko. It's really beat up. Oh, I love watching him jump. But then they hit the hook sometimes. Cute little fish, fought pretty hard. Nice. Nice one. How cool is that? How cool is that? Couldn't take very long after the last one. Oh, Senkos, baby. People say that you miss a lot of fish on Senkos. Texas rigged. But I haven't missed a single fish yet. I may have missed one. Probably about a 2 pounder. Crayfish down his mouth. Yeah. Right back down to where he was before. Got my biggest one of the day here. Dumped a couple times. This one has lighter colors because he's been probably cruising around. Oh, that's my Senko, finally. It took a while. Maybe not 4, definitely 3. What a nice fish. Got a couple injuries here. This pickerel has my bait in his mouth. I can't believe I got him. I can't believe that. Did I really get him? Or is he just hanging on to my bait? No, I actually hooked him. Look at that. With the Senko. Look at this dude. Still really pretty though. Look at him in the water.